Huh? I thought smart people achieve things and are successful and... Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm your host Rupen from Giant, back again with a new video helping you become a better designer and a better person in general. If you're new to this channel, here we discuss matter related to design and how to improve at it, and some of the advice in this video could be applied in real life too. Please make sure to watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right in. How many times have you been told that in order to improve at something, you need to put in the work, or keep practicing and to be consistent? Personally, the amount of times I've been told these are countless, and that's mainly because I've been looking for shortcuts all the time. Shortcuts are fun. They're quick and cut a lot of effort and time spent working. Anyone would rather drink some tea and watch a movie instead of working their ass off. Sounds like you? Yeah, sounds like anyone in the universe, honestly. Sorry, you ain't that special. The underlying truth of laziness and the main reason behind it is hardwired in your DNA. It's because you're smart. Huh? I thought smart people achieve things and are successful and... Yeah, let me break it down to you in the simplest terms. Smart kids, mostly seen in schools, aren't the highest achievers, but the less gifted usually achieve higher grades. By smart I mean quick-witted, intelligent, and things come easy to them naturally. Why do you think that happens? Smart kids usually figure out things extremely quickly, and they know how it works, and immediately right after, they just get bored. That is usually because they subconsciously know that they're naturally gifted, so they stop trying. Why even bother trying? These questions constantly circulate in the head, while the less gifted keep sharpening their sword and being consistent studying, and eventually achieving higher grades. Yup, this is the world that we live in, primitive psychology. Do you relate to what I'm saying? If you fall under the smart category, trust me, you don't want to lay the trap for yourself. Being smart makes one feel so entitled to not even try to do anything, and it's your worst enemy. And basically you turn into someone with a lot of ideas but no action, and practically that makes you nothing in the real world. Consistency is something I wish I was taught as a kid, and it affected me in my teen years, even adult life, always striving to get the best results through shortcuts and fastest routes. Don't get me wrong, there are better routes to take, but being consistent in the route always pays off. And that applies to anything in life, self-improvement, businesses, relationships. It is very easy to get lost in the results. We are hardwired to always look at the results and the possibilities and not so much the process itself. So we get lost in the loop of exploring possibilities with no action whatsoever. I'm bringing this up because I'm sure many of you watching are talented people with lots of ambition and dreams who find it hard to find interest in anything. It all comes down to enjoying the process. Once you learn how to enjoy the process, success won't just be a destination for you, but rather a journey. Even I need to remind myself with this. I don't have my life figured out yet. I have multiple interests, and I get bored when I know I can do something. Constantly exploring everything with unlimited possibilities, and there is no focal point at all in my life, so I figured I needed to be consistent at something, and I picked up something that I enjoyed doing, something that I never get bored of. Babbling design shit on YouTube to make it easier for others. The best way you can get yourself to be consistent is to set yourself some milestones, and devote a few hours a day doing that thing you want to be doing, even if you don't feel like it. A good method to start working is dissecting your work into small parts. The hardest part is actually getting started, not the work itself. Make it a habit for you. And keep reminding yourself with your goals and where you want to be at. It's important to have a realistic goal. Don't expect too low that you demotivate yourself, but don't expect too high either. Set yourself milestones within a certain time frame and you will feel a great satisfaction once you finish them. It is going to reignite the passion in you and that will keep you on track every time. I cannot stress this enough. It's crucial for you to be surrounded by people who support you and motivate you to stay consistent. You do not need unsupportive people in your life. And expect people to mock you often. Envy exists everywhere, and in anything. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you learned a thing or two, make sure to share this video with your friends who would find it useful, give it a like, and subscribe to my channel for more jam talks. Also let me know down in the comments what you'd like me to discuss in my upcoming videos. Maybe even share your take on this topic. I'd very much love to hear them. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.